Now we are going to open the Apache Netbeans IDE 22. So I have the 22 IDE. So maybe your machines are different, but process is same. So before we have to go and check XAMPP server, then create the database. XAMPP control panel, yes, it's coming. First, initially we need to start the process Apache. Then you need to start My SQL. Now both of the things are running. So now I need to click the admin. So we need to write our code, our execution of the database we need to do in the PHP My Admin. So when I click admin, it will be loading now. It takes some time. We will check Netbeans. Yes, Netbeans opened. So here, how can we communicate or how can we connect to the database and how should we communicate means here we have the services, projects, services. So projects, I already have the project of login page JDBC. I have written everything. So now I am opening the login page JDBC. So here already the program is available. Here I have removed the password because the reason I didn't provide any password to the database, but your side you have written in the root. Root is a username and root is a default password. So maximum execution of the time 120 seconds. So now I will open. Yes. So this is the My SQL. So now we have already created the user DB. The database is available. That database, inside the database we are having a table. That table name is users. The table contains 3 columns. One is a ID, another one is a password, another one is a username. So now you will go and check users table. Now you can see here, so these are the results. User 1, password 1, user 2, password 2, username Arun, password AU12345. So next one username is PU, PU12345. So if you want add, you can click here SQL, then write a query, you can add. Okay, so already database available. If it is not available, you can click create new. I will teach you. You can see here. You create new, create database name, and create. Automatically it will choose. Then which database it will be. Already we are having 7 database. It will be added as a 8th database. You can see here. Now I am going to create one more database. The database name is MCA demo DB. Okay, so now I am going to create. So it will ask you, will you ready to create the table? Yes. Demo MCA. How many columns we want? We can able to mention 4 columns or 6 columns, 8 columns, or how many columns we want. We can write 4 columns I have written. So now it will be asking a variable name and type and value size, attributes, which means here we have to be add signed or unsigned, null index, primary or attributes is here. So default, collation, attributes, then indexes, null index. So primary key or index or unique key, primary key I have created. So ID, integer, primary key, default, none. The name, password, location. So here we are going to be mentioned signed or binary or anything. Here length of the values. So here I have given 50. It is more than enough. So now I want to change, this is not integer, this is varchar. All other items are varchar most probably. Password can support numerals as well as letters. So now I am created. So now I save. Can you see? ID, name, password, location. 4 columns it has been created. ID, name, password and location. So this is the way you have to be create the database and table. So what is the database name we have given? MCA demo DB. Now open MCA demo DB. What is the table name? Demo underscore MCA. So I have created just for your reference. Actually already we are having a table. So now we need to connect with our MySQL into Java. Listen carefully. You can click here services, then go and check databases, right click, add new connection. So which database I have been using? I have used one MySQL. So already I have the MySQL connector jar file. So I have added that location. So MySQL connector J 8.4.0 jar file. So already I have the connection. So now I have given a username root, password I don't want to give. So now I need to check whether the connection is established or not. Here we can find test connection. When you click test connection, you have to get connection succeeded. Then next, we don't need to change anything. Here also, so now you can click. So you will receive the message of unable to add connection. Connection already exists, which means already we have created the connectivity. So now we open and check. So this is the connections are already available with the databases. So now I have to be connect. So no password, so click OK. So once it's OK, this place you can see here symbol, it won't broken. Rest of the things broken. So connection is OK. Now go to the program page, but before programming page, we have to check how we need to copy the URL. Everyone watch carefully. So this URL, when we create the services, afterwards which one is connected, then you can select, then right click, go to properties. Here display name of the URL or database URL. Click here. Here first up to this level port you can copy, then write your database name. You can check JDBC My SQL / localhost 3306 / what is our database name? What is our database name? User DB. So now you copy this one, then write user DB. So now root password. Now values, we will get the values from the client side. Enter the username. Through scanner class we will receive the values. Then password also. Then username and password forwarded to authenticate user. Authenticate user transforms the values into the function. So username and password come here. So we need to be process the username and password. So we have to create the connection. So this is a connection purpose. So connection class we can create the connection driver manager dot get connection. So first one is a URL, second one is user, third one is a password. There are three values which is going to be stored into the SQL. Then SQL prepared statement can use and separate the values. Then execute. Then it will be go to the authentication. So if the authentication is true, directly return the authenticator. If authentication is false, so it will be moved to which part? Else part. So catch block. So here they have given a catch block. So now we will run. So you can check here debug. So we are going to debug the project. It takes some time. Okay, it's ready. Now you can go to run or debug module. So here also symbol is available. So run this project. So it's running. Enter username. Username I have given PU, password PU at PU 12345. Build successful. Okay, so already connection is established. Before connection established, we need to some important things. One is we need to download the connector file of JDBC, then install that machine or that server. So now I stop, I run again. So now I am going to give the wrong name. Invalid username and password. It's come directly. This is the invalid and password name, incorrect password name and password. So this is the way we have to be create the login ID and password. So user login creation.